Ayan, close fasting na for Siri or Suhoor, and then inshallah open fasting around 6:10 p.m. Pakistan time. Time check is 4:55 p.m. Ayan, may azan na ng Fajr. Alhamdulillah, today is 10th days of Ramadan fasting. Spring season surrounded with beautiful cherry blossoms, flowers of plums. As you can see over there, surrounded with cherry blossoms of plums trees. And then we can, as you can see over there, you see the white. And then also over there, today is March 11 and today is Tuesday. Time check Pakistan time is 11 a.m. and today is 10th days of Ramadan fasting. Weather is cloudy. Today I'm going to make homemade wrappers of samosa. Before yesterday, I keep this one boiled potatoes together with garbanzos or chickpeas beans. So I keep this one, and this is for my fillings for samosa. So I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and then pinch of salt, and this is very hot cooking oil, 3 tablespoons. So we have to put here. Now put some water, enough water to mix. Now we have to knead it well. Masahin natin ng husto para maganda yung dough. But I already knead this one for almost 6 minutes. So 1 minute more. Ayan maganda na yung dough. Ayan, very soft na. So itabi ko muna ito. Mamaya ko nang i-roll ito para ipalaman ko yung potatoes para sa samosa. Now we have to mash this one, boiled potatoes, fillings of samosa. We have to put 1 teaspoon of salt, chili powder, and coriander leaves or parsley. Just now I went down, you see. It's very fresh organic coriander leaves. Now we have to mix this one or mash. And some I have to use this one toppings of red kidney beans curry. I'm boiling now red kidney beans here in chimney. Here. It will open. This is our recipe for today, dinner, 10 days of Ramadan fasting. Ayan. And And this water I will use for wuzu ablution because time now to make a namaz prayer for duhar because 1:10 p.m. now Pakistan time. Now let's start saute. First I saute onions and then garlics. As you can see, garlics, abundance of garlics I use because we have abundance of organic garlics. And I already boiled this one, red kidney beans. I boiled here in this casserole. Then after I boiled, then I transfer here. Now I'm using this one again for saute. Then after that, I will transfer again this one to here. Then I will cook rice here. Ganyan lang ang aking buhay as a mother, Pakistani wife. And then cooking here in chimney, pugon or anggiti. Now add turmeric powder, chili powder, salt. Now put now these tomatoes, slices of tomatoes and green chilies. Now cooking rice also. And I already transfer here in casserole this red kidney beans curry. Rice is already cooked. Now this rice is already cooked. Now we can put toppings here, coriander leaves in red kidney beans curry. So our dinner for 10th Ramadan fasting is ready. So this is the dough of wrapper of samosa. Now we have to divide this one into how many balls. Now we have to roll like this. So this is enough now. Next we have to cut this one. We have to cut into two. Now we have to put fillings here. This one with chili and this one for me because I don't like green chilies. So now I have to put enough fillings here in one wrapper of samosa. Now then we have to fold like this and then like this. And then we have to seal with water. Yeah. Now we have to put here in plate. So now the same procedure. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Now make another here. This is for me without green chilies, and this is for them. My husband, my langga, my Fahad, and my Fatma. 5 pieces and no enough filling, so I make this one. they call it here puri or fried chapatis. So I will fry now this one. Frying samosas. Today I will not make pakora, aloo pakora or potato pakoras because I make already samosas, so no need to make aloo pakoras. So first I make for me this samosas without green chilies. Now I have to two more, and next this fried chapatis or puri. Chicken breast tapa, 2 pieces of chicken breast, then I slice marinate, and samosas, fried chapatis or puri, fruit chat, juice with tukmalanga, and dates. Nagpabili din ako ng mga prutas kay Fahad at saka isang kamatis kasi yung prutas naubos na yung binili ni Fahad noon 2 to 3 days ago, kaya ito naman ay para bukas. Yung ginawa ko ngayon na fruit chat ay konting sweet melon, 2 apples, tapos pomegranate, yun lang. So ito nagpabili ako ng bananas, 12 pieces na bananas, tapos half kilogram na mansanas, green apples, at saka sweet melon. Tiga half kilogram ito. 1 kilogram itong kamatis, 1/4 kilogram ng grapes. Tapos, meron na palang strawberry. Kaya ilagay ko ito dito para hindi masira. Kasi bukas ko ito gagawin na fruit chat for aftari. Ayan. Siguro 1/4 kilogram ito. Itong strawberry. Ayan. Season na pala ngayon ng strawberry. Tapos, yan, ito, sweet melon, half kilogram. Tapos, guavas, half kilogram din. Yan. Itong mga binili ni Fahad na prutas, tiga half kilogram. Bali, siguro mga 4 days ko ito gagawin na fruit chat. Yan. Ito naman ay yung junk foods, colorful junk foods. Papar tawag nila dito. Yan, ito-fry ko ito bukas din. Mura lang ito kasi ang binigay ko na pera kay Fahad, 1,500. Ay may change pa. So siguro walang 1,500 ito, hindi ko na naitanong kung magkano ito lahat.